Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today we are making Seekh Kababs, which are made with ground meat wrapped around a skewer and grilled on charcoal fire. We are making a big batch today and using 10 pounds of ground beef. You can use either half the amount or even quarter the amount of the beef and accordingly reduce the amount of rest of the ingredients. The 10 pound of ground beef that I'm using has 25% fat. That will ensure juicier kebabs. Besides the meat, we will need 2 pounds of very finely chopped onions, 2 cups of chopped fresh coriander, 5 tablespoons of crushed ginger, 8 green Thai chillies chopped extremely finely. You can reduce or increase the amount according to your taste. 4 teaspoons of red chili powder or to taste, 8 teaspoons of salt or to taste, 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds, and 5 teaspoons of garam masala. To ensure that all the ingredients are incorporated into the meat, I will be adding the ingredients a little at a time. I mixed the chili powder, the salt and the garam masala and then added half of that mixture to the meat, mixed it and then added the rest. Did the same procedure with the crushed ginger and the chilies. If you are using less ground beef, then you can add all the ingredients at the same time. Same with the onions. It is very important that the onions are very finely chopped, otherwise the kebabs will fall off the skewer. I rubbed the cumin seeds between my palms before adding them along with the rest of the onions. The last ingredient to go in is the chopped fresh coriander. With hamburgers, we do not overwork the meat as they become tough. But in the case of Seekh Kababs, we have to mix it so much that it becomes homogeneous and a little bit sticky. As you can see, the ground beef is now thoroughly mixed with all the ingredients and the mixture has become a little bit sticky. At this stage, we will let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes while we light the fire in our angithi. The coals are now hot enough, so now we will take a handful of the mixture, wrap it around the skewer and spread it lengthwise till we have about 5 to 6 inches long kebab. We will place the kebab onto the angithi crosswise and make the rest of the kebabs. While they're cooking, we have to keep on turning the skewers so that kebabs are cooked thoroughly on all sides. As you can see, the kebabs are now perfectly done. We are going to slide the kebabs off the skewers and today I'm going to serve them with chutney, naan and salad. These kebabs freeze very well, so I'm going to freeze the rest of them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!